Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Lenovo Yoga Tab. To do this, first we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I'm gonna go for the settings. Now find the power key and volume down key, which should be located on the right side as it is, and then click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and we can choose scrolling screenshot, and it will begin to scroll down this entire page. When it reaches the bottom, it should save that screenshot automatically, and here we have it, full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.